Well, hi guys, this is just a quick tip on how to protect your camera for just $1. That's right, just $1 will help protect your camera with this little tiny product. Your cameras nowadays that they put out, some are promoted as weather sealed. Weather sealed doesn't mean waterproof. Now that is a very valuable lesson, and a lesson I learned very painfully around a small waterfall near Mount Fuji in Japan. Ooh, nightmares. Okay, back to this. With cameras being weather sealed, in something like this, it's a little bit of light rain, say a little bit of light snow. It's okay, that's all right. The only problem is your hot shoe isn't covered. So I have heard tales, particularly with Sony users, where water has got inside their hot shoe and it's basically wreaked absolute havoc with the electronics of the camera. Now your hot shoe is basically a little device on top of your camera that you put your flashes and also remote triggers on. This is very important. These terminals are exposed to the weather. Now that means that water can still get onto those terminals and get into your camera, and it will affect it. So now for just $1, what you can do is just go onto eBay, search DSLR hot shoe cover. You'll find these. They're a little tiny cover for your hot shoe, and they've got a little level built into them, which comes in really handy as well if you need to level your camera. Simply grab that for $1, slip it onto your hot shoe. It's now covered. For just $1, I think it's worth saving your camera. What do you think? Well guys, I hope this video has helped you out. There's probably some out there that are probably saying, well, duh, I already know this, but there are probably people out there that don't know it. So for those that didn't know it, I hope this video really has helped you out. Thanks very much for watching. Always feel free to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.